Worried about your loved one's safety and location? Check the description for a link to the ultimate security expert who can guide you. Stay connected. Stay safe. I'm going to show you step by step how to use location tracking the right way, so you stay connected with your spouse and kids, without sacrificing privacy. Location tracking lets you see a live or recent location for family members you choose, confirm school drop-offs, confirm travel arrivals, quick safety check-ins, faster peace of mind, quicker help in emergencies, less where are you, texting iPhone, Find My Android, Google, Find My Device, cross-platform, Life 360, bonus, geofence alerts for arrivals, leaves, iPhone, Step 1, open Find My, people, start sharing location, iPhone Step 2, pick family contacts, set share indefinitely, ensure location services is on, iPhone Step 3, add a place, set home, school, practice, choose notify me for arrive, leave. Android Step 1, Google Maps, profile, location sharing, share with specific people. Android Step 2, settings, security and privacy. Find My Device on. Android Step 3, in Life 360, create places and set arrival departure alerts. Always ask for consent. Set boundaries together. Use share for 1 hour when you only need temporary visibility. Create do not disturb windows where alerts are off. Review who has access monthly. Remove old devices. Scenario 1, school check-in, geofence, 7:55 a.m., arrived at school alert. Scenario 2, teen practice, 6 p.m. left gym alert, start dinner, plan pickup. Scenario 3, travel partner, spouse shares live location, send rideshare to terminal if delayed. Scenario 4, emergency, lost phone on field trip, find my ping's last known spot, automated, calm, in control. Pro tip, name places clearly. School gate A, pro tip, enable low power mode before long days. Pro tip, use safe words for quick check-ins. Pro tip, teach kids how to pause sharing responsibly. Location tracking with consent and rules builds trust and keeps families safer. For the best tips fast, visit the link in the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more family safety tips. For the best tips fast, visit the link in the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more family safety tips.